So I want this video to be precise but detailed as much as possible. Today we are unboxing my new machine. It's called Zinc Brilliant 6180, and the other machine that I've been using, they are quite the same. They have similarities and they have differences too, but of course this one is 6180 and the other one is 6160. What does it mean? This one is better, slightly better than the other one. I say slightly better than the other one. So whatever the other one does, this one can do it, and whatever this one can do, the other one can do it. But I'm going to show you some of the similarities and then the differences, of course. So we're going to start with first of all, the color. This color is different. This is white and it has this gray. Actually it's beige. It is beige, and the other one is blue, an arm, or you can call it a tray. Now you put it here, and the other machine that I have, my old one, it only has this. Now the difference between the other one and this one, this comes with a tray, and you get this when you buy in the machine, unlike 6160. So I have this tray. You can remove it. So if you're sewing maybe small garments, and then sometimes you may want to use this, and then there is a scenario when you're sewing big garments and you need an extension arm for you to be in position to sew. This is an advantage. It comes with this tray, and I really love it because it really makes work easy. And it also, you can remove it just in case you're sewing small garments. Maybe you're sewing a shirt or a t-shirt or a towel, and you just want like have a neat finishing. You can remove it, you insert it inside, and then you start sewing. So already it is I threaded it because I was using it. When you open here, it has, of course, you thread it, and it has a bubble inside, bubble case, and then a bubble. You see there are two, and you insert it there inside here, which is a good thing. You're sewing and you're not seeing your bubble case and all that. It makes your work look neat and easy, especially if you're filming. Okay, is the arm. That is a finished look of it. Okay, it has two options. Now another thing that I want you to see, it has a button sewer option. You can buttonhole. You can sew buttonholes with using this machine. You can also stitch your buttons automatically using this machine, which is a good advantage. Now this is the option for the buttonhole. This one, the one that I've pulled down now. So I really love it. This is our footer place. You put your footers there, and you all know about footers. I won't be talking a lot. If you want a video about different footers, you tell me. I will make sure I record for you. So it comes with a power button, of course, specifically for this machine, but this one I can also use it on my old machine. So this is how it looks like. You connect it from here. I don't know whether you can see it. You connect it from here. Already I connected it because I want to show you something. Okay, it also comes with a pedal. This is a footer pedal which you step on when you're sewing. Of course, you also connect it here. So it doesn't have a lot of wires. They are just two wires, and which is a good thing for someone like me who loves neat things. Of course, it is an advantage. Okay, so and I show you this. When you switch it on like this, it automatically goes to the that is the basic stitch. Now I want to show you this. Now this screen here, we call it a screen. This screen here, it helps you to select the stitches. Now another option that we have, or another feature that I love about this machine, Another feature that I love about this machine, it has so many stitches. Now you all know I don't have a serger, I don't have an overlocker, but I can never give my client a cloth or an attire without finishing it. And guess what, I don't even take it to anyone with a serger or an overlocker. That means my machine can actually do everything. So it has so many options. This one has got 79 stitches, imagine, in one machine. So you select a stitch here, and these buttons helps you to select the stitch, the length, the tension, and all that. We also have here the thread tension. You can select it from here. In most cases I use 4. That's what I use. So yeah, you select stitches from here. It has overlockers, it has stitches for designs, it has flowers. Now another thing here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 buttonhole stitches. Can you imagine 7 buttonhole stitches? Leave alone these machines that come with only one option of a buttonhole. That means you're going to every attire you have to use the same stitch, buttonhole stitch. These are 7, from 73 to 79. They are all button stitches. Okay, so I have so many options. It has flowers, it has zigzag stitches, it has edge finishing stitches. It has so many options. Okay, so leaving alone this, we have this let me first remove this. I know that is poor disconnecting, but we have nothing to do. So we have this here. You always pull it towards yourself. This helps you to lower the, I think you can see this, to lower the needle. This helps you to lower the needle, and of course it helps in threading and all that. So when you're sewing, of course you have to use this. You can do that. And then when you come behind here, we have this option. We have this option for our threads. It comes with this. You can put the thread in and then you cover it for it not to roll off. So that is the option. It also has this option. There is a thing that I put here, so, and I put another thread here. So it has 2 options for threads. It also has this. Now this, it helps you in threading. This whole section is for threading. Remember, when you're threading, you start from here, you come here. So this has got these options to show you the right way of threading this machine, which is very, very important, because in most cases when you buy a machine, threading, so this helps you to follow the right steps. Still on threading, we have this option here. This is called a bubble filler. So if you want to fill your bubble, if you want to put threads on the bubble, of course, let me show you. So when you want to put the threads on the bubble, let me show you this colored one. You thread it from here up to here, and then you put the bubble here. You pull it to this side. Immediately when you pull it, this screen is going to change to the bubble filler automatically. How amazing that, So threading is made easy. Once you pull it off, the screen is going to change to the basic stitch. So that is how it works here. Okay, so yeah, that is actually all. I hope I've exhausted everything here. If you don't know anything, if you want to know anything else, you tell me, let me know, I'll answer. So another thing that I wanted to show you, now this thing comes with a manual. Okay, first is a buttonhole footer. So for you to put the buttonholes on your garments, you have to use this footer. You place it here, you sew. It comes with this brush, which helps you to clean down here where we put our bubble case and a bubble. Okay, it also comes with pretty a lot of things. For example, this one came with 3 bubbles. Okay, it came with 3 bubbles. It came with 2 bubble cases. I have others there, and it also came with this is a zipper footer. You use it to sew to put a zipper on your garment. It also came with pretty many footers, but I mixed them. It also came with 2, actually, this one and this one. It came with 2 basic stitch footer. and other footers. So I mixed them here. I don't want to take a lot of time to look for them, but I also bought this. I bought this specifically to make my work easier, to be equipped with everything and to be equipped with footers, because when you're sewing, you only don't need the basic footer. You need lots and lots of footers. Okay, that's why I bought this. So leaving that aside, the machine, this machine comes with a manual. It comes with an instruction manual. This is how it looks like. Now this one works on 6199, 6180, which is this one, and 6160, which is the other one that I've been using. Okay, I hope you see it. It is there. I want you to be wondering. I didn't sell it. It's there. It's still new. I love my machine, so there's no way it's going anywhere. Okay, it comes with a manual that you can use just in case you don't know anything. Of course, you have to go through this manual, and just in case to know how to use the dangers, how to clean it and everything, you know, because first of all you have to maintain your machine. So if you don't maintain your machine, of course you're going to use it for like a short period of time and you're going to spoil it. So it has all these pictures and just to demonstrate for you, just to tell you this part does this, this part does that, this part does that. So you're going to learn literally everything. You can always go back to your manual just in case you feeling like you don't know anything, or you don't know how to use a certain footer, you don't know how to do this, you don't know how to sew a zipper you don't know how to put the buttonhole, how to thread it. Everything is in here. Now another amazing thing is that all these stitches, all the stitches, they are indicated here. They tell you what to do, they tell you the specifications, they tell you the length you have to use, they tell you everything for you to get the perfect stitch when you're using these stitches. Okay, because they are real many and sometimes you can even be confused and you're like, hey, stitching which voice, what do I use this for, what do I use that for? So every stitch here is indicated and explained, well illustrated. Okay, so there are lots and lots of things in this manual. I'll advise you to buy the machine, but before you even read anything, or before you even put your machine in the electricity, before you switch it on, make sure you read the manual. Now another thing that I didn't talk about is this. I love sewing at night and this thing helps me a lot while sewing. This machine comes with its own light. I think you can see that it comes with its own light. Once you switch it on, once you switch it off, of course the light has to go off. Once you switch it on, it comes back, it switches itself on. Now you have to understand that sometimes when I just bought my previous machine, I tried to switch it on, I tried to connect it, but it wasn't connecting. And once this light is off, the machine is not going to work. So you have to make sure you do the right connection, you have to be with the right power, you have to be you have to make sure everything is right before you even tamper with using it. Okay, so it comes with this light. You can sew at night, at any time. Of course, it gives you enough light for you to sew and to watch your steps while sewing. So that is it. That is my machine. That is the new machine that we have and we're loving it. It's not like I had the other one. I'm not going to be using it, but I've been using it for a while, so I want to clean it. I want to open it, clean it, and yeah, as I use this one, because this one has worked for some time and I just want it to rest and then start using this. So that's what I had for you today. If you have any question, kindly go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'll answer you if needed. Okay, so thank you for watching. I, my love, saying bye.